What's up YouTube, this is Monday's trade recap on Euro USD. It was a no news Monday, but I ended up hopping on the charts and looked for a opportunity, and I did find one, but my TP was hit, but I got stopped out prematurely. So let's get into it. What on the daily? On the daily, we wicked off the consequent encroachment of this long wick. We came down on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we broke structure. We had a change state of delivery right here on the 4 hour on this candle, and then I was looking for a retracement back up into this range right here. Also we were in a higher time frame basis, so I was pretty confident in my long. We initially we had a SMT right here. We had a bearish SMT right here on this low, and what I ended up doing was that I considered this move up as my change state of delivery, and I thought this move down was an order block and we would just accumulate and then go up, but that did not end up happening. This wasn't really a good change state of delivery because we did not have good displacement above this high right here. We came back down, broke through this low right here. I got stopped out. One thing to note is that this final manipulation, after which we rallied higher, happened during the New York macro. 650 to 710 on the dot. This final manipulation move happened during the macro, so that's something to note. After that, after getting stopped out, I did not re-enter the trade. Let me just show you what happened after I got stopped out and what I could have done better. So earlier in the day, these were the Asian lows, London lows, and London highs right here. So during Asia and London session, we had pretty much all we had was accumulation, and these were the London highs. Pretty strong buy side point, as these two highs are relatively equal, so this was pretty, and also these were London highs, so it was a pretty good buy side level. And then we had these we had these London lows and this Asian low right here. So as New York opened, we came down, we took out London lows, Asian lows, and during the macro we had a final, during the 650 to 710 macro, we had a final manipulation which unfortunately stopped me out. What I could have done better was that I should have not considered that 1 minute change state of delivery. I should have considered yeah, I should have considered this as a good change state of delivery, as a valid change state of delivery, because we had displacement above this high, right? It wasn't just some choppy price action going a little bit above this high and then going back down. This was a pretty good change state of delivery, and also we had volume imbalance and busy overlapping, aligning with each other or close to each other. So this was a good retracement point. We retraced back into change state of delivery and this busy and this volume imbalance. So if I wanted to, I could have entered again right here, stops a little bit below this low so that we don't get stopped out if we have another manipulation move. And my initial TP was these highs right here, London highs and relatively equal highs. So it ended up playing out perfectly as I expected, but because I was FOMOing, I forcefully entered. I unfortunately lost the trade. So yeah, this was something to note. I should have traded during the macro. Yeah, not after the macro, but during the macro. I should have waited for the macro and see what the macro did and then reacted off of it. This was the trade. It ended up playing out perfectly if I didn't get stopped out, obviously. So yeah, thank you for watching.